There's a lot of things that we've already gone over in this course, a lot of settings, and there's plenty of add-ons out there for Anki. One of the things we have in the Anki Mastery Course is this add-on called the Anki Palace Butler add-on, which will automatically configure your settings to what we recommend. It will also automatically install over 60 add-ons all at once. So I'm going to go ahead and do this when I restarted Anki after installing the Butler add-on. I click yes, and then I'm going to proceed with this, and it changes my deck options, like I said, and all of the settings. And then it's going to install all the recommended add-ons that we have. It does that very quickly, and I'll go up to the tools and add-ons menu here. And you can see there's a lot of awesome add-ons that are all configured to work well together with each other. The other thing we have in the course is obviously the course itself, the lessons, videos, practice file decks that you can actually download and work with as you're watching the videos. You can see we take you from why you should use Anki all the way to getting things started. This is where the Anki Palace Butler add-on fits in. We go over what it means to suspend cards, bury them, flag them, do all of the things that you do within there as you organize your flashcards. And then we go into how the algorithm works, how to make good flashcards, use the add-ons to make flashcards and review flashcards, and then integrating this into your daily studies. This is a course that we spent hours and hours on with multiple very dedicated people who are very experienced with Anki, and we believe that this will actually help save you a ton of time and make your studying far more effective.